Hey guys, welcome back to another absolute banger from the Three Borksketeers.
And in this video, we will be making a castle and being the best players and build a boat for treasure.
And we do have a new the Three Borksketeers, the third Borksketeer joining us. He's right here, Dog29_Rufus, and he will be joining us in our build a boat for treasure run today for building a boat.
Oh yeah, he also cannot use his microphone because he also cannot use a microphone currently, so he will be using text chat.
Yes, but we will try to fix that later on.
Let's get right into it. And to start, we're gonna show you how to build a basic flying machine with just a few blocks.
Alrighty.
So Rufus here will be showing us how to make one of the best ones, and me and Walker will be showing you how to make other ones.
Yes. Yes, so you place some ice here, and then this would go right over here. The hinge, and then stand right on top of this.
And then place two glue blocks on top of you.
Yes, but you have to place them yourself. It would be in first person, I'm pretty sure. Here we go. So then you can auto-anchor this. Yes, what Rufus is saying is correct. So after auto-anchoring this, you now have to just walk, and then space to go up, and then not do anything to go down. So
another super easy way to do it. The one flaw with that, the one that Rufus is showing us, is that that one it's very hard to control. So what I like to do, I'm gonna get this seat out, and then what makes it very easy, I get the jets out.
Yes. Oh, Puppers, go ahead and use a purple one because that's faster.
Oh, but that seems sort of pain to win, but sure.
Alrighty, let's hop on.
Let's hop onto the machines that we've made, and we will show you how to go.
Hop on, Rufus.
Yeah, Rufus, come on. This is gonna be our machine. And to make it even faster, we can add some boost or something.
Alright, wait, let me
Shall we launch the boat?
give me 1 second. Alright, everybody, now, wait.
Oh, everyone, put on your wingsuits.
Yes. Alrighty, everybody, let's do this.
Rufus, are you ready? Alright, let's go.
Yes.
So,
R is to enable the thrusters. I set it for R.
would you like me to put it on?
Sure.
Oh, Rufus! We're a little out of control here. I think the boosters was a bad idea.
Yeah. Okay, you know what, guys? Let's give it another shot, but guys, I don't know if you all are seeing this, but look, everybody, look how far I went. Everybody, play that back.
That was so crazy. What? Yeah, the boosters was a bad idea.
Yeah. Okay, you know what, guys? Let's give it another shot, but guys, I don't know if you all are seeing this, but look, everybody.
That was so crazy. What? Yeah, my wingsuit. Oh, why are you making it all white? Shouldn't you make it all dog colors?
Oh yeah, bet.
And wait, why can't we use the same tools as you?
I don't know.
Ooh, wait, how are you coloring it? I thought only Borker had access to it. Well, it's only 1,500 coins, even though that is still a lot. It's just...
Yeah. Alrighty, everybody. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Rufus, we're trying to make it dog colors.
Hop on.
Yeah, like alternating.
All right, Rufus, sit down, and who's gonna be powering it?
I'll be powering it. Wait.
Okay.
I know what to do. Wait, everybody jump off. Oh, I accidentally dropped our jetpacks.
And I think Borker will be.
Yes. Here, I moved it up so we
Okay,
can just
Borker will be the one to control it.
All right, Rufus.
Oh,
go ahead and
Rufus,
grab
that's your seat. My bad.
That's good. All right.
Let's go.
I need a.
Oh wait, Rufus, I'm ready.
Alright, I'm making the controls. There we go. Alright, everybody, 3, 2, 1.
Prepare for liftoff.
So everybody, this is how to make a simple flying machine. Just nothing too crazy. But after this, we will be making the biggest, craziest castle we can make. And just the biggest boat we can make in all of Build a Boat. So.
Oh wait! Rufus fell off.
Oh no. Well, we will be doing that right after this. So let's just finish this run.
Rufus, we're here. Oh, one of our jets is broken. Rufus, no. Borker, you kind of overdid it there.
Sorry.
Okay, Rufus is on. Let's go.
All right, everybody, here we go.
I feel bad. I'm the only one that's not a royal member. This is fun for a basic flying machine.
For real?
Especially when we have to pick up Rufus.
Yeah. Is somebody disabling the engines?
I don't think so. I'm not. Okay, just keep moving. Oh, spikes. We gotta stay in the middle. Yeah, nice and consistent. Oh, tornado. Go for the sides.
Alright.
Whoa, the lightning. It looks like it. Oh, we just got hit.
Oh, it might be the end. We gotta make it to the end, guys.
Abandoned ship.
Abandoned ship. Alright, well.
Oh, wait, there's a pathway on the side. See if we can walk on it.
Well, I say we should probably. Well, everybody, we'll speed this up for you guys so you don't have to. We'll speed this up for you guys so you don't have to watch this for too long. Yeah. Rufus. Everybody, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. No.
No.
Why are you shooting at Ron? You are moving Ron. He's gonna bring us down.
Oh no.
What do you even call this?
Ron.
Who's attached? All that chaos is over. Go. I'm going Zimber. I think we're about to win with our tower.
We might be able to.
This has been the best build I've ever seen.
Same. I really like this build. It's a nice king's tower.
Launching cannon 4. Whee.
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't work yet. Wait, this is our stop. Oh, I flung off. I almost flung out of it. Hey, Borker. Hey, Borker, are you gonna get off?
Help.
You're a little far there, pal.
Help.
Get off the couch!
Alrighty, everybody.
We
Here we
are
go.
about to
3,
win.
2, 1. Hey! Yes, sir.
Each of us gotta claim the chest. I didn't even claim the chest and I died. What?
What? Alright, well, everybody.
I didn't get anything.
What?
It's fine.
Well, everybody, that would be wrapping up our first video on Build a Boat. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We will see you next time. We'll like and subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. We will see you next time. Peace out.
And we're making it with metal. Oh, I don't think we have enough for this.
We can.
You have to make the floor. We have to make a mini castle.
I mean, like this would be good. Or and we could also do concrete too.
Could you? I was planning on building like one of those towers.
Sure.
Give me a second. Wait, Borker,
Yeah.
could you scale this piece of concrete to like really high up?
Sure.
No, I'm over here.
Oh, sorry.
And make it kind of far out.
What?
It's fine, it's fine. Just... Oh, not, I said kind of. Not too much. Should we just make like a tower?
Sure. And then let's make a castle. How about next episode? Let's make a castle.
Sure. But we have to grind a lot so that we could get him up.
Yeah.
Could you move the wall over a little bit? Just like half a stud more. See, like to keep it at balance with that. A little too much. A little too less. Perfect. Now can you move it up a little bit?
Alright.
That's good. Alright, now we just have to scale the rest of the walls. I can focus on, I can make some stairs.
Alright. Rufus, you go ahead and if you'd like, you could go ahead and work on some stairs or the floor in the roof.
I'm thinking of what I can use for the stairs. It has to be very visible. This should work. Can you make the floor? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking good with this.
Yes.
You have to make a little bit of space for this so that we can make like a door. Should we make a door or are we just gonna have it like that? No door?
We can make a door.
Worker?
Yeah.
Could you scale this little flooring thing I made?
Bet.
So that we had like floor up here.
All right.
What happened to my wingsuit? Alright, it's looking good. It's looking good.
Yes, sir.
Worker, could you angle the rest of these bricks so that they look like stairs?
All right.
Really nice, actually.
Thank you.
I'll make some marble flooring here. Worker,
Yeah.
would you like to look downstairs? I'm making a pretty nice flooring so far.
All right. Ooh, nice.
Would you like to help me scale it?
Sure.
That'd be much appreciated. All my work has been done for me in a good way. These are some very nice stairs. Oh, I really like that actually.
Thank you.
And I have an idea. So, I'm gonna build out.
Wait, Puppers, I'm already working on like a little idea, but you can build out too. Just try not to interfere with what I'm making.
Oh, what are you trying to make?
I'm making like little towers on the castle.
Oh, I'm gonna be making a cannon
For real.
so that we can shoot out around me. We are the Board King. Yes, we are. Borker,
Yeah.
I don't think this is gonna be enough space for us to be. Oh, are you gonna be like adding a block here and then like connecting it all?
Yeah.
Ah. Wait, why do you have a minigun? Modern piracy. What? wait, don't add one in the middle. I had an idea of where we could use a harpoon. we pull our enemies closer to us and take them out. This is looking very solid.
Very much.
Here, it looks like you need a bit of help here.
Thank you.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna add the rest of the throne. Oh, wait. Let's align them.
Alright. I'm buying a new save slot. So
Wait, I got stuck in that one. Let me put the rest of them down. Oh, the last one I can't align. So just like, okay. That works.
Alright.
Should we add wheels?
Sure.
The wheels on the tower go round and round. Oh, I'm making it look a little more fashionable by with the sides. If you look at the sides.
Alright.
Do you like the torches?
Yes.
Here, I can add some lamps. Is that too bright?
That's good.
Whoa! Is that it? Rufus, what's that next to you?
What?
Okay, Rufus. That uses all their firearms. It's actually really cool. It's a neat button.
For real.
Should we have like a little wall? Because you could just put metal and make a wall with scaling.
Alright.
Make it the biggest wall you can make. And we can see. I put a piece of metal so that you can turn it into a wall.
Alright.
Do you see it, Borker?
Um,
Glass?
Where?
It's right over here. It's right over here. To make the wall.
Oh, alright. I'm working on something real quick. But...
Oh, what is this? Is this gonna be like a little tower over our heads?
yes.
We have to do this quickly. It is a masterpiece.
For real.
Oh, what happened to our throne?
Oh, sorry. I had to delete them.
I don't. What is this next design, anyways?
I'm making it like a little,
This is too much. I think we should just. It was nice at first, just with these 4 pieces, just with these 3 pieces. But now that you just interfere with the sounds, I don't really.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, it was better. Simple.
I was making it. I was trying to make it like a, like a pointed top.
Oh, I'm gonna be adding some ladders to our thing.
Okay. Do you want me to delete the pointed top?
If you want to.
All right.
How do I make a ladder here? Is everyone ready?
I'm working on some more weaponry. I'm almost ready.
Oh, and you also have to make the wall.
All right.
Please, can you make the wall? It's just we gotta finish this.
Like around here?
No, just like in front of us. It's gonna be too much. What are you making? Can you make the wall?
Like, show me what you mean.
So turn that into a wall with scaling. Yeah. Try and make it as thick as you can too. Just use up every single bit of metal you have. Perfect.
I'll add more layers. Whatever you do, do not launch. I will, because I'm currently trying to save it.
Oh wait, what is this purple stuff? You have over 1,000 of it.
It's concrete.
You want to use that for our front?
That's actually what I'm using.
Defeat our enemies in style. Wait, you just gave me. I just got an idea. Don't look at the front. Don't look at the front. Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, we have our backup cannons. We have our backup miniguns. I say we're pretty much ready. Just let me save all of our stuff.
Wait, don't save it yet. Save it in 3, 2, 1. Save it.
Wait 1 second. I'm unlinking the button to all the thrusters.
Oh yeah, it is.
Alright, I'd say we're ready. Let me go ahead and save it.
And then we can launch. I'll get the launch ready.
We actually don't need the launch. Trust me, I know what to do. Actually, no, we can launch. Wait, no, I didn't have a seat. Guys. No. Everybody reset. I saved it.
Wee.
Everybody.
No, but we're going to infinity. But me and Rufus are going to infinity and beyond.
Well, here we go.
I'm still standing. Oh, now I'm not. By the way, that little new wall, it didn't stand up.
Oh, here, I know what to do.
Are you gonna connect it to our tower?
I have an idea. I have a different idea.
Balloons.
Trust me.
Can I have balloons?
Sure.
Rufus. Okay. Yeah, its name is wrong.